Hello, good morning. Welcome to Bullet Journaling for Beginners with me, Melissa. It's been a while since I've recorded anything. I've not really done anything more than chart stuff in my bullet journal, but last couple days I have gone to town um doing my February stuff. Let me actually zoom in just a little bit. Um So I went and started everything from page 16 to 23. So I was going to show you guys that. I have a new emotion chart. So that's pretty fun. I found something on Pinterest that really, I was like, oh my God, yeah, that's totally what I want. So that's cool. Um, Hopefully everybody else has been keeping up with their daily tasks. I finally decided to use, I'm not very good at these things. I finally decided to use it, tag this because I go into it every day. I have now taken my morning medicine. I haven't logged that in, so let me do that while I'm sitting here thinking about it. So this is very satisfying to see, but this also let me know what to carry over into February. Um, so it was very nice to check that out. Still working on that. Almost got my to-do list done. I mean, that's pretty good, right? January goals, I haven't really filled that in. I've been keeping up with my stepping journal. The sleep log was a bust. I don't like the food log, so what I've gone and done is I have a My Fitness Pal app. So right there, My Fitness Pal. I go in and I log my calories and I log my food. I have a diary of stuff I've eaten. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make sure that I log my stuff. I'm going to chart in my daily tasks that I log it and just use this. It does get tedious at times, but I need to go back to counting calories to get the results that I'm looking for. So I nixed this. It was a good idea. Not really, the dots don't really do a whole lot for me. The meal plan is working out fantabulous. My Southwest chicken rice bowl. Oh, that was so good. That was really good. And I've got leftovers for days. So I've got my own lunch for this week from just the Southwest chicken rice bowl. So this worked out really well. I have the total. So in my next meal plan, I put the total that I used to buy and that was everything. That was toilet paper and toothpaste and some shampoo and conditioner, and that was total. So I've got that in my other meal plan as a goal to not go past that amount. And if I can get it under, more power to me. Still doing the bills pages. Sorry, you don't get to see all that. So I didn't really like this. Switch to this. And apparently I can't count. Way more boxes than I need. This is fine. This does what I need it to do. I know what days, what's due. And because every month the days of the week are different, I didn't put days of the week. I just wanted the first, the second, the third. That's all I needed. I didn't need to know what day of the week was. I needed to know what day of the month things are due. And I popped in another checking one. But here's February. I went cutesy. I just went for it. And then, again, I couldn't figure out. I was looking at, I think I was looking at January's. No, I wasn't even looking at January's. What was I even looking at? I don't even know. But somehow I miscounted which day was Thursday or which box was Thursday. So, whatever. This is just fine. I don't use it for anything like I do with January. It's just to mark off the days. That's really it. I mark the payday, mark the major holidays. That's about it. That's all I'm looking at it for because I have a hang-up family calendar that I use for all the other stuff. And plus, I have a personal family calendar that I keep that I log stuff on. So I don't necessarily need another one in here. That's just too many calendars. So then we did a sleep log. So if you notice, my old sleep log was kind of chunky and weird. So this one, and I took it off the emotion. I took the idea kind of off the emotion chart. So I have here where 4 or less hours of sleep. Was that sleep well rested? Was I up one time during the night, usually to use the restroom? Older ladies and moms get that. Was I up 2 or more times, either potty or kids or whatever? Did I toss and turn all night? And was I an insomniac like it was last night? Couldn't get to sleep until midnight and was up at 4. So, but I have a lot of stuff going on. So, and that's that. So I plan on doing the color code for how I slept in the box for how long I slept. So I have 4 or less, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or more. Because there are days that I can sleep up to 10 hours. And I wake up feeling crappy and I hate myself for it. So, you know, and then I stickered all over. Adulting is hard because God knows it is. Wake up and be awesome. So dang tired. Just cute little stickers that I had. I'm like, well, what am I going to use it for? Boom. This is what I'm using it for. So this is the emotional chart that I found on Pinterest. It was originally called A Year in Pixels. And if you don't know, if you're not a computer geek, pixels are just little squares of color. Everything is made up of pixels. Your community, hold on, I'm going to pause this. All right, I'm back. Was nothing for you. It's a few minutes for me. So I really liked this. I really liked the idea. I don't know how well you can see that. So there's different moods. There's angry, annoyed, frustrated, irritable, anxious, nervous, energetic, calm, depressed, active, happy, exhausted, stressed, normal. So yesterday I found out some really crazy news. I started out the day kind of tired because I didn't sleep well. Then I went to happy, excited with a touch of stressed. So there was 3 different emotions within that day. So I did it lengthwise. You can actually like square out within the square, stuff like that. And there's a whole bunch of different ways you can do this. Some days you can be all one emotion. Some days you're just about everything. And this will help me keep track. So it goes the whole year. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So I'm really excited for this page. Today, despite not having slept well, I'm pretty happy and a little nervous because I really want to know an answer to an email and nobody's sending it. So this is my updated daily tasks. So I took out my walking because I think I did a new oh come on, I did a new step goal thing. So I took out the walking in here. I took out the exercise because that is actually tracked in my Fitness Pal as well. So I'm not sure how well or how much I need to actually track it here. But this is the same as the other daily tasks. Just a little different. I used all of my lovely Signo pens, which I really like. So I've got that going, and I've got where I have to log my breakfast, log my lunch, log dinner, and log any snacks I eat. I'm always really bad about logging the snacks. Again, February to do, and this is what's got me going. The landlord asked if we wanted to buy a house, and so I'm just like, I have to buy a house. I wasn't expecting to buy a house yet. I mean, I wanted to buy the house. We've wanted to buy the house since we moved in, but she's been so emotionally attached to it that we didn't think she was ever going to do it. So it was a surprise. I'm a perfume person. I don't know if anybody is as well. I wear artisan. They're called indie perfumes. So I want to track what scents I wear each day, and maybe which ones I don't like so much and can get rid of. So I have a whole bunch of these little 5 milliliters. This one is Black Phoenix Alchemy Lab. If anybody else is a scentaholic, let me know. Let me know in those comments. But this is just my own tracking, so my scent of the day. I like smelling like something different every day. Today, this is my good luck scent. Nice and leathery and vanilla-y and just comforting. So anyway, another meal plan for 2 weeks. I have to beat the last plan was $297. I got out just under $300. Now that's for 2 weeks of food for 4 people. And that also includes weird necessities, like, well, not weird, but toilet paper, shampoo, I think about a razor. Just, that was everything was $297. I want to get under that. I want to see what I can do. That then ties into my budgeting better goals. So that's really cool. And then I have the step goal. Since I did pretty well, let me see. Where's my step? I did fairly well. I mean, I hit a few. There were a few lazy days, but more often than not, I was coming very close to hitting it. I'm actually upping my goal to 8,000 steps. Just a second. Sorry about that. My kid is always so hungry; it just kills me. It's like it's 11 o'clock and it's not lunchtime. They used to eat at 10:30. That used to kill me. So I'm like 11:30 latest you can eat. But anyway, so I've upped my step goal to 8,000 steps. That's pushing it. That 6,000 I can usually get it each day I walk my oldest to and from school. So I'm upping it to 8,000 steps. We'll see. I mean, I'm just trying. And that's all I've gotten so far. I'm really excited. This is really, like, I feel really good doing this. And that's really all I wanted. Hopefully you guys are feeling good doing yours too. Let me know in the comments if you're new to bullet journaling, if you're an old hat and you're just getting some new ideas, or heck, if you have ideas that you think I should know about, pop them in the comments. Other than that, just keep up what you're doing. Happy bullet journaling. Bye.